Merhaba. Do you know that there are two popular types of menemen in Turkey? One is a light breakfast version and the other one is a healthier version that many people enjoy for brunch, lunch or even dinner. Today I am going to show you how to make the classic breakfast menemen. It is easy, delicious and ready just in a few minutes. Let's get started. Heat the olive oil and butter in a small pan over medium heat. Stir in the diced tomato, cooked for 7 minutes until tomatoes become soft and most of the liquid has evaporated. Season with salt, black pepper and red pepper flakes if you like a little spice. Crack the eggs directly into the pan. Gently stir them into the tomato mixture until they are cooked, but still soft and creamy. You enjoyed this easy Turkish breakfast menemen recipe. Thank you for your time. I'll see you in my next video.